My love, so I'm back yet again and I have another DIY video for you guys. This time I am making my granddaughter, my youngest granddaughter, a blankie. She chose her fabric. Actually, y'all, she is only one, and we were in Walmart shopping and I was looking at some fabric and she actually chose this fabric. So I was like, what could I make her? So I decided to make her a little blankie. So let's get into this video. So today I'm gonna be using this quilting batting I used in some other videos. I have 2 yards of this Disney Minnie Mouse fabric, glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just lay the fabric out on top of each other the way that I need them to be facing. And I'm gonna do it as if I was doing a pillow. I'm gonna lay them facing different directions so that I can lay my batten, and then I'll go in and flip them over. I'm going to use these clamps to clamp the top of each side just so it doesn't move. Helps me to keep it in place. So I'm going to take and lay the batten on top of the fabric just so that I can eyeball it and see exactly where I need to cut a piece off at. And I'm going to make it just the same size. Now I'm just going to go in and take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put a little hot glue around the corners of the batting just to hold it down to the fabric, to make sure it doesn't move. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to start taking the hot glue, placing it around the corners in the same pattern that I just did with the batting, just on the outskirts of the fabric, just to hold it still. At first, I was using just a little, like a line of glue, but I noticed that wasn't really securing it the way I wanted to, so you'll see me going back in quite a few times, adding more hot glue to the corners, just because I wanted it really secure so it doesn't come apart on her. So now I didn't hot glue the bottom piece here, as you can see, because I need a space so that I can turn it inside out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go in and turn it inside out. And I'm just handling it gently so that I don't pull anything apart. Now I'm going to make sure I get these corners out because they will remain tucked in if you don't stick a little finger in there and push them out. And there you have it. It's not flat. It's not too big. It's perfect. I am going to go in because I do notice little spots that are like kind of open. So I'm going to go in and add some more hot glue to them. And I'm going to pretty much add more hot glue all around the blanket just because I felt like I needed to secure it just a little bit more. So once I'm done with that, it is time to close her up. And I'm pretty much going to do the same thing, except here I have to go in and flip the fabric on both sides. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to flip a section in the middle to hold it down, and then I'll flip on both sides and I will tuck the corners in. I made these 2 little pom-poms and they're just made out of yarn, just to add a little more something to the blanket so it wouldn't be so plain. And I'm just going to use hot glue and insert it in the opposite corners. And it's finished. Took me less than, I say, 5 minutes to make. Beautiful gift, cheap gift. I mean, if you're going to a baby shower and you don't have money to spend, I mean. Oh, she's scared. Oh, that's lady. Help, lady now. Oh, goodness. You like it? You like it? It's for you. That's it, Aww. That her blankie now. That her blankie now. So after her reaction, I decided that the blanket was missing something. So I went out to Walmart and me and her mother chose this fabric here. And it's just some furry trim pretty much. And I'm going to add it onto her blanket just to give it a little bit more of a thump to it, I guess you would say. Just because it was looking kind of plain to me and I did not like that at all. And all I had to do was go in, add some hot glue on the ends of it, and add the trim. Very quick, very easy. And there you have it, her finished blanket. I hope you guys enjoyed it because she sure did. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.